so don't try that tone with me. I'm a little tired of this arrogant tone of politicians like you. So don't irritate me, Mr. Gutedar, okay?
No, Arun, I'm the senior leader, 6th-term MLA.
So what am I supposed to do if you're a 6th-time MLA? I'm supposed to sort of what? Bow down before you?
In a state that's seen much political violence in the year 2013, a Central Congress minister was the last person one expected to be spotted on camera wielding lathis and inciting a mob of workers. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary felt he was in the right while unleashing violence outside the district magistrate's residence. We thought otherwise, and he was uncomfortable with the straight questions.
You are a union minister of state. Somebody comes to Rail Bhavan and says, I have a complaint, it needs to be attended to immediately. Your private assistant says, well, the minister will meet you, but probably it will not be possible now. Please come back at a later time. The person then goes back, gets a local MLA and 2,000 other people, and then starts what can only be called an act of vandalism and gundaism. My question to you is, how would you respond? If every person who seeks an appointment with you comes back with 2,000 people, you were encouraging the people to resort to vandalism to get your way through.
Mr. Arnabji,
yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
If you allow me to speak, I will speak. Otherwise, please leave your people from here, lock, stock and barrel. If you allow me to speak,
Chaudhary,
I am
you don't have to be angry with me because, as you know, I don't get intimidated.
No, I am not at all angry. I am not at all angry. This is my natural expression of my feelings. No, it is my natural expression
of my feelings. Answer my question. My question to you is very direct. If somebody comes to your office to meet you with 2,000 people and pressurizes you, how will you respond?
Good.
Mr. Chaudhary, you are choosing to leave. Well, Mr. Chaudhary, you know, I'll only say this, he's thrown the mic away. But the minister knows that he's on record. He's asking our team to leave. Clearly, he doesn't want to answer the questions. I leave the judgment for our viewers. You're watching what's happened. What do you think of the minister's replies? Or should I say his refusal to reply?
There will be a time, 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 Mr. Modi, there will be a time, there will be a time when you will tire of doing this.
It's a story no national channel paid attention to. But it was the second time in 2013 alone that Times Now questioned legislators in Karnataka. We did it because we were more in touch with a story that mattered. We felt the pulse of a story that India was angry about, and we questioned them on their shameless joyride.
Now Mr. Gutedar, I actually think that it's going to be quite shameless of you, Mr. Gutedar.
How can you say shameless? What is the proof you have?
What is the proof I have?
How can you say the shameless?
No, you don't want me to finish my question, Mr. Gutedar?
No, if you ask then question,
so don't try that tone with me. I'm a little tired of this arrogant tone of politicians like you. So don't irritate me, Mr. Gutedar, okay?
No, Arun,
so Mr. Gutedar,
not good.
Mr. Gutedar,
I am the senior leader, 6th-term MLA.
So what am I supposed to do if you're a 6th-time MLA? I'm supposed to sort of what? Bow down before you?
Supposed to do, no? Why are you telling shameless?
I think because Mr. Gutedar, you may be a 6th-time or you can be a 60-time MLA. I'll still ask you the question, right? Yeah. So first of all,
you have a privilege to visit the foreign tour. Nothing wrong.
What privilege? People elected you to go abroad and see samba dancing and tango dancing.
No,
there is something wrong.
Very much take care about our people.
You know, Mr. Gutedar, unfortunately, politicians like you are, if you're going to talk about this being a privilege, I'm sorry, I'll say it on your face. You are a shame to the political class of this country. Your state's debt is at 137,089 crore. Please, Mr. Gutedar, don't raise your voice with me.
Yes, you tell me.
And your state government has declared 64 taluks of 22 districts as drought affected. Right? Your state has got financial assistance of 500 crore in January 2013. 2,986 farmers have killed themselves in one decade in Karnataka, and people like you, people like you listen to me, Mr. Gutedar.
No.
You listen to me. People like you think it is a privilege.
Why are you calling me here?
People like you think it is a privilege.
You have a question,
So do you think it is a privilege? Do you
what
think
is wrong with me? What
do
is
you
wrong
think
with
it is a
MLA?
privilege
What
to go on a South American holiday as a freeloader, enjoying a taxpayer
Not
expense?
a holiday, you are completely mistaken.
You are going to study.
We are going for abroad. We visit the
To do what?
Brazil, president of Brazil,
What?
and sports activities there.
Well, you are going to Monkey Forest, are you? And you're going on the way back shopping in Dubai?
You take holidays itinerary and you turning to Monkey
no,
Park.
so what is this?
Dance. We are not approved that itinerary.
Oh, so you changed
Still
it.
we are not approved the itinerary. Not changed. We are
After
already
being exposed, you are changing
take
it.
a permission from speaker.
Behind me on the Times Now news desk, there are hundreds of callers from Bengaluru who are calling tonight.
I don't want to ask them a question. I have a request from you.
Tell me.
You should not blame them. You should not have these debates on TV. I would rather request you to let them go on these junkets and please ensure that they don't come back here.
You want to say something to him?
राहुल से क्या बात करना है? आपने आप एंट्री बुलाए हैं?
नहीं, राहुल व्यूअर है, राहुल बेंगलोर में रहते हैं. आप what do you mean by saying राहुल के साथ क्या बात करना है? आप राहुल से बात कीजिए. You have insulted the people of Bangalore by telling Rahul, just because he's a marketing executive, why do I have to listen to you? I'll tell you, Mr. Gutedar, if another Rahul from Delhi calls you now, maybe you are answerable only to one Rahul from Delhi, and I really hope that Rahul from Delhi calls you now and tells you, about the mistakes you're making on national television. Faced with some tough questions on the news hour, unfortunately, Mallikaiah Gutedar, chairman of the Estimates Committee of the Legislature, has walked off the sets of news hour. We are trying to get him to come back, but I'll just show the clip out there where Mr. Gutedar gets up and he walks out and then he doesn't want to take any more questions, which I think is terrible and unfortunate, and just shows if he wants to come back, he can. But otherwise, I think this reflects a new form of arrogance. Not only will they do what they want, but they won't take any other questions.
You have got money from the lobbyists for your channel. I use these words. Yes, I did.
Never, ever say something as ridiculous as you've taken money.